What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV. Welcome to KennyJTV. If you are a first-time viewer, thank you so much for checking me out. Feel free to browse around my channel where everything here is everything insurance. If you are a returning subscriber, a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to tune back into KennyJTV. If you aren't subscribed, either way, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for my latest notifications, dropping the video every week on Thursday. This video is in collaboration with Southwestern Coaching. I have partnered with Bruce Palmier over at Southwestern, where he creates a lot of sales content for insurance agents all over the country. He trains with agents one-on-one in order for them to increase their sales in their office. So I have used a lot of his strategies and they have helped me tremendously, as well as I've sent them to different agents, and I've also used it in my own office, and I have seen an increase, a huge increase in sales. So I highly recommend you check out Bruce Palmier at Southwestern Coaching. All of his information will be in the description box below. And the best part is it's free. He has free workshops that he's willing to share with you. All you have to do is get in contact with him, and all the information, as I said, is in the description box below. As licensed insurance agents, closing is arguably one of the most important steps of the sales cycle. I have had many licensed agents reach out to me and say, Kenny, I just do not feel comfortable closing due to nervousness or lack of confidence. And whenever they tell me this, I always tell them it's all about perspective. Do not look at closing as the final step between you doing your pitch and you writing a policy or walking out of the door with no sales. Look at closing as a service that you are providing to the prospect. If you can change your mindset of closing and not think of it as getting the prospect to say yes, but thinking of it as getting the prospect to make a decision, whether yes or no, that is what closing is. When I was younger in sales, even before I was in the insurance industry, I was in sales, and I thought that closing meant the prospect had to say yes. So I would never go for the close until that I knew for sure that the prospect would say yes. So if I felt a little bit uncomfortable, I wasn't 100% confident that the prospect would say yes, I would continue to drag out the process. And as you know, as an insurance agent, or if you're in sales as a real estate agent, or you're selling heavy machinery, you know that your time is valuable, because in sales, the great thing about sales is we control our own salary, but it just depends on how hard you work. So there were times where I was honestly losing out on money because I was too fearful to go for the close because I didn't think they would say yes. I was dragging on instead of just going for the close as a service, whether that was yes or no, complete everything with that prospect and move on to the next. Closing is a service. As licensed agents, we have to look at closing as a service that we are offering to the prospect to make a decision. You can say something like, hey, I've told you everything about this product. Is this a good fit? You have to view closing as getting someone out of the middle of the road, whether that is yes or no. Of course, in sales and of course in insurance, we want every prospect to say yes and move forward with the sale, but it's just not realistic. You've done them justice if you got them to either a hard yes or a hard no. What you don't want is a lot of maybes. Maybes, as salespeople, as insurance agents, leave us stuck, and it gives us that internal hope that they will call back, they will make a decision and move forward with the product. Maybe doesn't serve anyone. It doesn't help the prospect make a decision, and it leaves a lot unsaid. We need to be able to say, We're gonna look at this, and if it is a good fit, then great, we'll go ahead and get you going. If it is not a great fit, can you at least give me the professional courtesy of saying no? You won't hurt my feelings either way. Make sure that you have that buying atmosphere, as I stated in a previous video, because you want the prospect to feel comfortable with saying either yes or no. What you don't want to happen is you get to the end of the conversation and it is a maybe. Another example or another analogy of maybe is, think about you are in the middle of an interstate and you're dodging cars. It's very dangerous. You either want to get to one side that represents yes or the other side that represents no, but either way, you just want to get out of the middle of the road. And that is closing as a service in insurance. It is very important that we view closing as a service and not another step of the sales process. Thank you so much for tuning in to KennyJTV. If you have any questions or want to reach out to me personally, my email will be listed in the description box below. Also, follow my insurance Instagram page that will be listed in the description box below. If you have any video content ideas in regards to insurance that you would like for me to see, also comment that below as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification, dropping the video every week. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is KennyJTV.